I get 5-second rule. Guess what we're having? Yes. We're having Jollibee. Oh my goodness. Okay, look at this. I just want to share. Just don't drop it, Tina. Oh my gosh. Just, yeah, okay. Wow. Don't drop it, don't drop it. Wow. Oh my goodness. What else we got here? Ah, the deluxe, right? Spicy deluxe chicken sandwich. Mashed potatoes. You have no idea how excited I am about this. Ube pie. I've been waiting for this. I'm so excited. Okay, let's get set up. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're having Jollibee. You know how much I love Jollibee. I was in the area and I was like, I have to have Jollibee today. I'll make it a once a month thing maybe. So anyway, I want to again thank everyone for all their support for my videos. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. I love you. Mwah. All right, let's dig in because I'm really hungry as per usual. I forgot to ask for lemon juice, but thank goodness I have my own lemon juice concentrate, and that's what I saw them use anyway. So we're just gonna spread. Ooh, I don't have. There we go. If I need more, oh, don't judge me, okay? I mean, I get. 5-second rule. I just got like a tiny bit of sauce on the carpet. Oh, no. Just gotta make sure this is okay. It looks okay still. Okay, I'm gonna take this off. So there's enough Jollibee logos on here. It's fine. It's fine. Anyway, I don't know where I was at. Anyway, I'm just really hungry. Let's just eat. Oh, also, ube pie. I've been thinking about this the whole drive home, so. Okay, where do I start? Okay. Okay, let's just mix. Let's do all the mixing first, and then we'll get to eating. Oh my gosh. I just spilled lemon juice now. Oh my goodness. Okay. I didn't put the lid on. What's happening? What's happening? Okay. Okay. Let's just wipe this off. Put the cap on for real. Alright. This happens when I'm too hungry. Of course, pineapple quencher. Oh my god, it's so good. Oh my goodness, I love it. Okay, let's just go. I'm just gonna go for something quick. Mashed potatoes. I'm so hungry. Let's see the mashed potatoes. More gravy. These mashed potatoes are so smooth. My goodness. Oh my goodness, I love this. Look at this. Okay. Oh. Oh, I'm like giddy right now. Screw it, I'm not gonna use the pen, I'm just gonna do this. It's the angles, I tell you. Do not drop any on the carpet. Mmm. Mmm. Oh my god. So good. Okay. Alright. This is next. Sorry, I'm just like overwhelmed right now. So, I love the Popeyes crispy chicken sandwich. And I've heard really good things about this too, so. First time trying it, by the way. So, cheers. Mmm. 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 That's really good. Wow. Check that out. Mmm. Mm-hmm. That's really good. Okay. Seriously, this is so good. Okay. I'll go for spicy piece of chicken next. Nothing fall, please. Okay. No gravy first. Mmm. Mm. Man. Mm-hmm. That's really good. That's some really good chicken. Dunk. Oh, yeah. I'm glad I tied my hair back today. Dunk. Ketchup. Mmm. Oops. I also have a gravy refill here. That pie is just staring at me right now. Okay. I'm gonna have some, oops, gravy. Dunk it in some, oh, I'm definitely gonna need a plate for this. No gravy on the carpet, please, Tina. I can taste the jalapenos nearby. I'm so excited for that bite. Wow. Dang it. Gravy. Oh yeah. And some ketchup. So good. Now, if I were to compare Popeyes to Jollibee, I don't know. I don't know. Oh my goodness. Do yourself a favor and go get Jollibee. Oh my goodness. Where did I start again? Grab this guy. Okay, no sauce on the carpet, please, Tina. That's important. If you don't like Jollibee, I don't know what to say. I really don't know what to say. I guess everyone has different tastes, but okay. I'm just joking. Yeah. Oh, goodness. Seriously. I love their gravy more than Church's. I said it. The whole experience is better than Church's. Church's has amazing fried chicken. I'm still debating which sandwich is better. I do wish that Jollibee like warms up their bun a little bit more. But the overall, like, it's so good. Like the taste. And mind you, I had to walk from my car like probably 10 to 15 minutes to go get this. I was on an appointment. I had to walk back. Had to drive back home, which was probably like a 20 to 25 minute drive. Then I had to walk my dog and set everything up, and it's still so darn good. That's how good this is. That's good. That's a good freaking sandwich. Oh. Okay. This bite is gonna be good because it has jalapeno in there. Oh my gosh. Oh. That was a fail bite. Hold on. I felt like something like slipping out. That's a good sandwich. That lemon juice with this is so good. Oh my gosh. So good. I know I keep saying so good, but it's just so good. Gravy refill. Oh my. I didn't know. mean, can't waste the gravy that's already in here, so what can I do? Just gonna grab some skin. Wow, is all I can say. That pot keeps looking at me. Oh my gosh. Some skin. Oh my gosh. Some mashed potatoes. Extra gravy. Seriously, wow. Ketchup. Wow. Seriously, every bite's just so good. It's finger licking good. I know, wrong place, but whatever. Oops. Seriously. This is gonna be such a good bite. That's where we're gonna dunk it in gravy. And some ketchup. I don't want this to be gone. This is so good. Oh, don't fall apart me. Wow. Last bite of this goodness. Okay, when I finish the chicken, I just gotta go for that pie. Also, shout out to all the staff at Jollibee because everyone's just so freaking nice. It's insane. Was that a bone? No, it wasn't. Okay. Mm. Oh my gosh. Okay, pie. Pie. Ooh. Okay. Out of my way. I'm just joking, I like mashed potatoes. Okay. Hello, ube pie. Ooh, yeah. Okay. Ooh, do. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. What's that shade? I don't know. Mmm. Oh, that's good. Mmm. Mmm. That's so good. Mmm. Wow. No! My fork. Oh no. Oh no. There was some sauce on that fork and I think it made a stain. Okay, I'm gonna save this pie. The rest of this pie for my sister because I'm sure she wants to try it too. If you made this far into the video, you will a real one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment because I love comments. I'm gonna leave the rest for my sister. Peace.